वालेकुम दोस्तों, आज हम मौजूद हैं पाकिस्तान लाहौर एक्सपो सेंटर के अंदर। यहाँ पे कुछ बाहर के ममालिक से भी प्रोडक्ट्स अपनी लेके आए हैं। इनसे हम बात करेंगे, बेसिकली तुर्किश से हैं। इनसे हम बात करते हैं, उनसे पूछते हैं कि ये पाकिस्तान के अंदर अपनी कौन सी मेन प्रोडक्ट्स दे रहे हैं और उसके अलावा इनसे बात करते हैं। हेलो सर, हाउ आर यू?
I am fine, thank you very much.
ओके सर, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वेलकम टू पाकिस्तान। इन विच कंट्री यू फ्रॉम कम पाकिस्तान?
We are coming from Turkey, Istanbul.
Okay, we are like brothers, Pakistan and Turkey people. अच्छा, okay sir, tell me about your products you provide in Pakistani peoples.
We are supplying evaporators and condensers for Pakistan market and also dry coolers.
Dry coolers.
We are very well known brand in Turkey. Our company is 45-year-old company, and then we are known globally. FRITERN, our brand and our company name. We are supplying this country our units more than for 4 years. We are working with Dynamic Equipment Group in
DEC.
DEC in this. In
Dynamic
this country.
equipment controls के साथ.
Yes,
Okay.
and then we installed several projects.
Projects in Pakistan.
In Pakistan.
Yeah.
They visited our booth. I mean, the owner of this.
Yeah. Okay sir, your product basically minus temperature cold storage.
Yes.
Related to cold storage, ice maker units like this. Minus temperature.
Not ice making, but for
Cold
especially
storage.
for cold storage.
Cold storage.
For
Okay
cold
sir, how was the response Pakistani people on this your expos?
Their response is quite good. When we explained the details of our product, when we gave technical information to them, they understand the difference,
Yeah.
and then they are really happy.
Yeah.
I mean, our old customers.
I see many numbers are from Turkish brand in Pakistan this exhibition.
Yes,
This is
there
a
are.
very good news for Pakistani people because these other imported items also many difference between rates difference. Pakistan Turkish brand is a very common brand in Pakistan right now. Okay,
Yes,
that's good.